Hey folks, Troy Miner here, and in this video I'm going to do a brief Save Club review, but I really want to talk about answering the question, are these deals and discounts legit? Please give me your full undivided attention, and if this makes sense, it resonates with you, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So I'm in my Save Club back office right now. And as it says on this page, savings that make a difference, over 1 million in-store discount locations. Now, look at this. There are currently 63,538 places for you to save money on eating. Fine dining, fast food restaurants, nightclubs, bars. 49,233 ways for you to save money on entertainment, movies, golf, sports entertainment, ski, snowboarding, shopping. A lot of this is retail shopping. 207,439 services for you to be able to save money on automation, health, beauty, e-commerce, retail shopping online, and then travel, right? Travel's a big deal. 1.2 million different ways for you to save money on travel. Now, one thing that I think is red hot and really interesting for most people, when I scroll down my back office, you're going to see this free Save Club app. This is 100% free, and a lot of people will download this simply because it's a way for you to earn instant cash back on dining, entertainment, shopping, and travel just using this app alone. And then the app introduces you to the Save Club opportunity, and for a $20 a month membership, if you decide to go active, not only are you going to be able to save money, deep discounts, and even get free offers, but you're also going to be able to make money. So this is one thing that's very, very appealing to most people. We have a cashback shopping portal, and then you have this My Deals section, and then, you know, there's always something new that the company is coming out with. But let's say you want to check out your savings hub in USA or Canada. As you can see, you also have grocery store deals, electricity savings. You can save money on your cable bill. You can save money on your cell phone bill without switching your service providers. Keep that in mind. And how that works, saving money on your bills, you don't pay anything out of pocket. Basically, we have professional marketers that actually contact your revolving bill companies. It takes like 10 minutes to basically jump on the phone with one of the consultants, and then from there it's just a matter of them getting your information and helping you save. So the electricity savings portion of Save Club is currently only available in the USA. And I believe there's 19 states that this would actually apply to, but that is expanding. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch this quick video showing you how to save money today. And then these are the ways that you are able to save money. Let me see. All right, right here. So be sure to review these 3 ways. You can save money on your electric bill every month. You can choose the auto save option, right, which has to do more with usage-based energy pricing. Basically, you're going to save money that way. And you can also choose to get the competitive fixed rates for up to 3 years with no hidden fees or surprises. And once you choose which option best works for you, you've got a really cool bonus. They're currently giving you a $100 gift card Get rewarded just for signing up. New customers who enroll in a qualifying Think Energy electricity plan will receive a $100 gift card, no strings attached. And then you have this checklist. So before you make the phone call, just make sure that you have these few things that are checked off. And as it says here, um, these are the states that are currently applicable with the electricity savings. You're going to need to have a copy of your bill. You're probably going to be on the phone for maybe 10 to 15 minutes. And you also want to make sure that you are the person on the name of the energy bill or legal representative. So that has to do with electricity. Now I'm going to share with you what's inside the Savings Hub. Now, the Savings Hub is currently available, I believe, to USA and Canada based residents. And this is really, really cool because you're not spending any money whatsoever out of pocket. And as it says here, let us save you money on the bills that you already pay for. We have saved people hundreds to thousands. And you're going to watch this quick video here showing you how to cut your monthly residual bills in half. And I'm talking about things like your cable bill or your cell phone bill. Whatever revolving bills it is that you have, you could save money on. Not to mention how they do this. So in essence, what's going to happen is this. When you click this button to save money on your residual monthly bills, they have professional marketers that actually contact these companies on your behalf. And one thing that I want to point out, you are not switching your services. You are not switching your company providers. Nothing changes other than you spend less per month on that bill. And they are able to do things that you can't do as a customer. So, for instance, if I called up my cable provider or I called up my cell phone provider and told them, hey, I've been a customer for years. I want to save some money. What kind of deals do you have? That is nothing in comparison to what these professionals actually can do, because they know the codes to mention. They know the direct questions to ask, and they're just going to save you more money on a much, much greater scale. And all that you would need to do when they negotiate this is whatever amount of money that they save you, instead of you paying out of pocket on your own, you're just going to pay the company 50% of whatever you save. So for example, let's say you end up saving $400, just using that as a roundabout figure. You save $400, $200 you're going to save every single month on those revolving bills, and then the company is going to get the other $200 as their fee. Now, add that up. If you save $200 a month over a 12-month period, that's $2,400 that you would have spent. So I think these are phenomenal programs. And one other thing I want to share with you quickly, folks, the company has over 1 million retailers globally. These savings are available in multiple countries. And all you need to do when you click on your Find Deals button is you're going to enter your zip code, hit the search bar, and then all of the most prevalent savings are going to populate. So let's say maybe you're on vacation, right? And I don't think anybody talks about this. Let's say you live in New York, you're going on vacation to Florida. Whatever zip code it is that you're in while you're on vacation, maybe you want to do some shopping, you punch in that zip code, hit the search button, and the savings are going to populate for wherever it is that you are. So if you look over here at the categories, there's 1,559 different ways to save on automotive needs. Business and office, 457. Car rentals, 175. Condos and resorts, cruises and tours, dining and food, 2,551. Health and wellness, 3,176. And I'm just going to scroll down this page so that you can see some of the stores and some of the discounts. Shake Shack, 20% off savings. Avis Car Rental, 30% off average savings. Crunch Fitness, $15 off your average membership. GNC, $20 average savings. Remember, the Save Club membership is just $20 a month. So if you just saved in one area, that is a big deal. Hard Rock Cafe, 15% average savings. Applebee's, 10%. Men's Warehouse, 10%. Right? I mean, this just goes on and on and on. There's a comedy club in New York City that I have gone to, 40% average savings. FedEx Office Supplies, 15%. The Theater Center, $39 average savings. And this is just one page. So you have an option, you can get the free app, which I strongly recommend. It's going to give you 5% cash back on whatever it is that you're buying using your credit card. And it's going to introduce you to the Save Club opportunity where you can pre-enroll for free. And then when you download the free app, make sure that you download it from inside your Save Club back office. So you're going to see a pre-enroll link once you log into the back office. Click on the pre-enrollee link, and then you're going to get instructions on how to download the free app and then get introduced to Save Club. In order to get that, all you need to do once this video is over, go to my YouTube channel. From my YouTube channel links, you're going to look for My Free App. Click that button. It's going to take you to My Free App, and then you'll be able to do the things that I mentioned. And you have a choice. You could use Save Club as a customer. You could use Save Club as a customer and an affiliate. $20 a month membership. I don't like leaving money on the table, so it was a no-brainer for me to become an affiliate. So not only do I save money personally, help others save money, but I'm also able to get paid. And we get paid every Friday like clockwork. And we also get monthly residuals. So if you got some value from this video, shoot me over a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. You can go to my YouTube channel right now, click My Free App, and download the free app and get yourself started today. Thanks so much for watching. Once again, it's Troy. I look forward to working and helping many of you. Take care.